Hi, and welcome to this short introduction on how to combine datasets in SAP Analytic Cloud. First, we click on Models to import our data. And in this case, I'm just using a plain Excel file. Once the demo file cost is loaded, I can start working on the model. Once the file has been imported, it's important to notice that we want to combine our data with is a dimension, in this case, customer. Next, we click on the Combined Data Source and select our second data source. Once again, I'm using a plain Excel file named Sales. Once imported, we can see how we can combine the data. In this case, I would like to join on our customer dimension from both sources. We can also see how we can combine the data either using all the primary data from cost or only the data that are both in cost and sales. Once the data are imported, I can then use all the normal features of SAC, just like data wrangling, and make my new calculated columns where I calculate profit. Profit is defined as sales minus cost. So now I have combined a new calculated measure based on data from two different datasets. Once I'm done making the changes, I can simply save my model. Once my model is created, I can see in the data management page that my query is based on two sources, cost and sales. And I can easily also create a story from here, choosing between responsive or canvas. I choose canvas. In my story, I can create a simple chart using my newly calculated profit and the shared dimension customer. And that is how easy it is to combine different data sources in one model. Thank you for watching.